So today I'm about to show you how to add a QR code generator in N8N. First, open your N8N canvas and drag in your data trigger, like a Google Sheets node or a webhook node pulling a website link. Connect this directly to a HTTP request node, and next, configure the HTTP request node to tap into a completely free no-auth QR code utility. Set the method parameter to get and paste the public endpoint URL into the box. Click the Add Parameter button, set the name key by data, and map your text or URL variable from your trigger node straight into the value field. Finally, scroll down a bit. At the bottom of the HTTP request node settings, look for the response section and switch the output format parameter from JSON to file. Hit execute, and N8N will instantly return a raw binary image payload containing your fully custom QR code. And that's it. That's how to add a QR code generator in N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.